Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're bringing you an in-depth look at the 2025 Can-Am Ryker 600 ACE, the perfect entry-level three-wheeled ride designed for those who want freedom, fun, and performance without the complexity of traditional motorcycles. Whether you're new to riding or just looking for something refreshingly different, the Ryker 600 ACE delivers a dynamic experience with unmatched ease of use. Asterisk. The 2025 Ryker 600 ACE keeps its signature aggressive design, low profile, and futuristic styling that makes it stand out wherever it goes. It has a compact and sporty look with bold body panels, a low-slung seat, and a front-heavy stance that screams performance. This year's model also offers even more personalization options, allowing riders to switch up colors, accessories, and ergonomic components with ease. Asterisk. Powering the Ryker 600 is the proven 600cc Rotax Ace Advanced Combustion Efficiency twin-cylinder engine, known for its reliability and efficiency. This engine offers a perfect balance of responsive power and control, especially suited for urban cruising and shorter touring rides. The automatic CVT continuously variable transmission means there's no need for clutching or shifting, just twist the throttle and go. It's one of the most beginner-friendly powertrains in the Can-Am lineup. Asterisk. Handling and control are key highlights of the Ryker 600 ACE. With its three-wheel architecture, low center of gravity, and vehicle stability system (VSS) featuring traction, control, ABS, and stability control, it provides an incredibly safe and confidence-inspiring ride. Whether you're a new rider or just want something more stable and intuitive, the Ryker 600 makes every journey feel relaxed and fun. Asterisk. Comfort is built into every detail of the Ryker, with its low seat height and adjustable ergonomics, including foot pegs and handlebars. Riders of all sizes can find a comfortable and commanding position. The suspension has also been fine-tuned for city streets and light touring, delivering a smooth ride without sacrificing agility. Asterisk. The digital display is crisp and easy to read, showing all essential ride information at a glance. There's also a wide range of optional accessories, available from storage boxes and windshields to Bluetooth audio and phone mounts, making it easy to customize. The Ryker 600 to your lifestyle. Asterisk. The 2025 Can-Am Ryker 600 ACE proves that you don't need a big bike to have big fun. It's accessible, stylish, and built for pure riding enjoyment. For those ready to hit the road with confidence and individuality, the Ryker 600 is a game-changer in the world of modern three-wheelers. Asterisk.